So very good afternoon to all participants present here. I welcome you all for today's workshop on importance of human talents in supply chain management. Today's program is specially designed to bridge the gap between the technology and the talent. Here we are going to discuss how to attract, develop, and retain the skilled professionals who can turn an ordinary supply chain system into a resilient, innovative, and high performance system. And we will be looking at how we can transition our talent strategies from mere transactional hiring to true people centric growth. So, with this few introduction, now we will start the session objectives. So, these are our key objectives of human talent in supply chain management. So at the end of the workshop session, every participant will gain a clear understanding of the role of human talent in supply chain management. We will examine how skilled professionals contribute to operational efficiency, resilience, and strategic decision making. Additionally, this session will highlight the key competencies and skills required to succeed in modern technology driven supply chain environments. Let us start the introduction of the topic for today's workshop. In today's high dynamic and unpredictable environment, supply chains face constant disruptions. A capable and skilled workforce plays an important role in ensuring agility, resilience, and operational excellence. The human talent not only improves efficiency but also enhances the customer experience and drives innovation in digital transformation. The human talent in supply chain management focuses on following things: recruiting, developing, and retaining skilled professionals. It strongly emphasizes key competencies such as data analytics, technological expertise, problem solving, and adaptability to ensure the operational success in the business. So, this is about the core theme of today's workshop: importance of human talent in conventional supply chain management system. Now let us deeply understand the use of human talent in supply chain management. The talent supply chain management applies traditional supply chain principles to human resources. Just as materials are managed efficiently, organization must ensure the right talent is available at the right place and time to meet the business demands. What are the various key components required for a modern supply chain management system? The major components of talent supply chain management include workforce planning, talent acquisition, talent development, performance management, and talent mobility. It also includes managing contingent workers such as freelancers and contractors. So these are the various essential key components of talent supply chain management with respect to today's point of view. Let us understand some important key reasons for using the human talent in supply chain management. Human talents plays a vital role in handling disruptions either within or outside the environment, and that leads to make real-time decision quickly without affecting the environment. It supports strategic sourcing, logistics planning, and supply relationship management, which directly influence the organizational profitability. While technology such as AI and automation is important, at the same time, skilled professionals are essential to operate and interpret these systems. Human talent also strengthens the collaborations and drive continuous improvement across supply chain operation. What are the various key skills required for a modern supply chain talent acquisition? Modern supply chain professionals require a combination of technical and soft skills. These include the following things: data analytics, technological proficiency, strategic thinking, and strong interpersonal communication abilities. So, these are the skills that are needed in big demand today. Now, let us discuss various the case examples which tells about how the human element plays an important role in supply chain management. Let us discuss the first case example on critical thinking and problem solving. In times of disruption, critical thinking becomes an essential, important one. The successful managers rely on analytical skills and real time decision making to overcome the challenges that are occurring in every day to day business life. Next one is about emotional intelligence. Here, how come the human talent can be better utilized to emotionally handle the peak pressure situation in the business? Emotional intelligence plays a vital role in material procurement and supplier relationships. Leaders with empathy and strong interpersonal skills can build mutual trust and effectively manage high pressure situations. Case study on change management and adaptability. Change management and adaptability are the key to success in modern supply chain. Organization must support new technologies and foster a culture of collaboration to remain highly competitive in the business ecosystem. Next example is about data driven decisions. Data driven decision making bridges the gap between technology and real world application. Professionals must interpret the key insights and apply them effectively to improve their operational outcomes. So these examples tells about the influence of human talent in modern supply chain systems. Here are the summary of essential human skills that are needed in high demand in the current recent scenario. To summarize the essential human skills that involves analytical ability, risk management to predict the uncertain situation in the business, maintaining flexibility and agility, quickly adapting to rapid changes in the global demand, and effective communication through collaboration among various teams. The future of supply chain talent management lies in integrating technical expertise with human creativity. This will enable smarter, more sustainable, and adaptive global supply chains. So we have to support both human intelligence and technological uh, advanced tools which supports the automation. Even though the technology is highly advanced, but without human professional, nothing is possible. Before I complete the today's workshop session, let me summarize the important things which we have come across in the previous presentation. So we have discussed the objectives of today's session, followed by the introduction and theme of the concept. What are the various key components that are required for talent supply chain management? Then important skills required for modern supply chain professionals with respect to the current scenario. And in addition to that, we have discussed about few case studies on critical thinking, emotional intelligence, change management and adaptability, and data-driven decision making. So with above all, I conclude that even though there are advancements in automation, human talent still remains to be irreplaceable one. Professional must combine the technical expertise with soft skills and strategic thinking to succeed in the evolving landscape. Organization must adapt a strategic approach to talent management by applying conventional supply chain principles to human resources. Continuous training and development are essential things for building a resilient workforce. Ultimately, the future of supply chain management depends on a harmonious balance between technology and human skills, where people drive innovation and long-term growth. So, with this information, I thank all the attendees for making the workshop very interesting on the so-called topic importance of human talent in supply chain management. At the same time, I appreciate your passion, your collaboration, and your commitment to develop the future of logistics and supply chain. Continue the same thing in your professional journey. Thank you once again.